Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to clear Incognito history in Brave browser. So guys, first thing, as you can see, I am on my Brave browser. So to do this process, go ahead and right click on the three lines over here, as you can see guys, or click it. And now let's go ahead and go to our new private window. So here on your private window guys, for example, I'm gonna go ahead and go to google.com and I go to different websites, and now you are wondering how to delete the incognito history. So to do that guys, there are only one way to do this process. So from here, select the three lines into your incognito window on the top right corner. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, delete browsing data. So these are the only feature that the incognito have in order for you to delete everything that you have searched or visited website. So click ahead on this one. And from here, as you can see, to delete the data, we just need to close all the private windows, and this will only affect the private windows. So here we are on Cognito. We're gonna go ahead and select close window. And from there guys, automatically your history will be deleted. And when you have your normal browser, of course, the history over here will always be recorded. To delete that, you could also do the same by selecting the three lines on the top right. Select delete browsing data. And from here, you will have browsing history and select all time over here to delete the data. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.